Bonfire Night. Bonfire night, a wondrous sight, the sky aglow with flames so bright, fireworks dance and twirl with delight, as we gather round to celebrate the night. The crackle of the fire, the pop of the sparks, the smell of smoke and sparklers, the laughter and the joy, the memories we make, all combine to create a night we'll always take. Stars above a twinkling show as we toast marshmallows and tell stories with faces all aglow. The warmth and magic of the night, a time for family and friends to unite. Let us embrace this special night with wonder, joy and all our might. For Bonfire Night is a treasure true, a time for love and laughter, pure and new.